Bensemo ya linda Mwanainchi abo bara babwatani b'Ekiama gia ODM nigo bono beatananire kurwasa Ekiama ekio nigagocha ritukeri morio kamaegayo monogeri bwe bunge ya Senate kumurusia omosenata bwe county ya Nairobi Mheshimiwa Edwin Sifuna asiri bagari omokonyi b'umuraibo bara bakase bunge ya Senate nabo igori bagari ya ekwego omosenata bwe county ya Migori Eddie Okech nigo bona bara yabo bono batebire tibabwati bwa matebunde bwensi ni Ekiama gia ODM hase batebire amatuka bwangwega nigo bagochia kobeka tene ni miroberio yabo ya gesiasa sebo igo bairari bagerio nabo wakira mbuya mono nabo igokogokera hobo buyi bwe Ekiama kia DCP hase obochori bakabwana getiwense moye bunge ya Olkalau.
We have been working very hard to save this party, but clearly the party is now under the firm grip of one William Samoei Ruto. Key meetings of the party are now being held in State House, including the recent one which planned to remove Senator Sifuna from his position in the Senate. So we want to announce today that we have lost the fight to protect the soul of ODM party.
This team has decided that we need a better country. We want a country that follows the rule of law, a country that can feed itself, a country that will stop the corruption, a country that stops favoritism and many, many other issues which make my brother Sifuna say that we need to fix the software.
The DCP party, my brother Senator Methu, he has done a fantastic job in the campaigns we all followed, and the people of Olkalau for resisting all those temptations and coming out to make their voices heard. Congratulations to Sami Kamau, who has been elected the Olkalau Member of Parliament, and we hope that the whole country knows and can see now that that is going to be the same case in 2022. So 27.
Jubilee tanyora tichukura central doesn't mean ngaigegere party useless. Asenaro Jubilee chikokora ego chikotokonya. Asenaro lindo Mwanainchi ego chikotokonya. Asenaro party ya Kalonzo Musyoka ego chikotokonya. Otole nyombemo. So to me, DCP kubwa yali ngegente kiasane kiwae because opposition bono egasi gokora tuli. Tolani kuruege ntukiabete kuna ba serikali yaje tena na maaki bako abantu paka chipiro bako begera abantu chika silinda omuntu gale kwa gusiringi 10,000 abantu bakalie binte bagakora chikura bagaka buno togote ba utande muina igane hoteli muina igane gasto gokora.